السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear and respected audience, today I am going to explain about our own bodies. We are thinking it is a small thing. The real is not like that. It is a huge world. It is Allah's sign, the Creator's sign. Because of the Allah said, the glorious Quran, Surah Jasiyah, Inna fi samawati wal ardi la ayatul lil mu'minin. Indeed, in the heaven and earth, there is signs, and in your own body, in your creature. In other surah, Surah Fussilat, verses number 53, Allah has said, سَنُرِيهِمْ آيَاتِنَا فِي الْآفَاقِ وَفِي أَنفُسِهِمْ حَتَّى يَتَبَيَّنَ لَهُمْ أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ. We will show means will show later, because of Allah has added seen before the future verbs. It means we will show later. We will show later our signs in all horizons and their own bodies to be clear to them. That is, means the glorious Quran is truth. It is real. And Allah has said in the glorious Quran, Surah Infitar, verses number 8, في أي سورة ما شاء ركبك. In a huge form, Allah willed it. Allah has assembled you. Allah has fixed you. وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ. Allah is asking in Surah Zariyat, verses number 21, are you not pondering about your own bodies? Means, this is this much huge thing. Allah has kept, the Creator has kept inside of your body different kind of the countless things. Allah is asking, you are not studying about your body, you are not pondering, you are not researching. It means you have to study here, you have to research here many and many years about your bodies. If we try to research, study and research about our body, if we studied and researched 100 years also, it will not be sufficient. For example, in our body, the brain is important thing. In our brain, the scientists are saying there is 10 crore neurons. Again, they are saying in our two eyes, there is 12 crore rods, 70 lakh cones, and 30 lakh nerve fibers. These 30 lakh nerve fibers were connected from eyes to brains. And according to our immune system, when we approached to doctors, medical doctors, they are saying your immune system is weak. What is the immune system? Actually, that is warriors, armies. Allah has deployed in our each one's bodies 1 trillion armies. What is the trillion? Everybody of you know. The trillion is 1 lakh crore. Allah has deployed 1 trillion armies in our bodies. In their hand there is weapons. The researchers are saying in their hand 10 crore trillion weapon. Like in our country there is many and many armies. In their hand there is different kind of the weapons. Like that in our armies means in the armies inside of our body there is a lot of weapons. And think about our blood vessels. What is the blood vessels? It is carrying the blood to all part of our bodies. The length of our body's blood vessels almost 1 lakh kilometers. For example, we are taking each of blood vessels from a man and keeping it as a length by joining its edge to edge, tip to tip. Its length will be almost 1 lakh kilometers. Only one man's blood vessel's length will be 1 lakh kilometer. Is it not wonderful? In our body there is many and many cells. The scientists are saying in our body more than 100 trillion cells. In each cells, not total cells, in each cells there is billions ions atom. What is the billion? Everybody of you know the billion is 100 crores. According to D. Marcos, one of the great blood scientists from Canada, he is saying it is necessary to live here more than 200 quintillions ions atoms. Means 200 quintillions means 7 octillion. 1 octillion means 1 after 1 27 zeros. Now you have to think what is our body. It is actually miracle. It is actually miracle. In our one of the researcher, he wrote many books. One of the book among those books, it was called The Miracle of the Eye. He is saying to see here, to look here so nicely without any disturbance. There is happening 100 billion operations, processes. If happen like that, we can see here nicely. What is this miracle? It is a great miracle, but we are not thinking. We are means many of us not thinking our body about our bodies. It is great thing. We are always neglecting and we are not respecting our bodies. Allah has said in the glorious Quran, وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي Adam. We respect the humankind, but we are not respecting our bodies. It is why we have to respect means we have to think, study and research and keep it always nicely. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.